Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Vitale, and I'm very excited because what you're about to discover is the first ever advanced Ho'oponopono training and certification. Now, this is the advanced training. If you've already read my book, Zero Limits and At Zero, you have a basic understanding of Ho'oponopono. If you've seen any of the footage of Dr. Hew Len and I from the Zero Limits seminars we did, you have a little bit deeper understanding of what Ho'oponopono was all about. If you've taken the basic certification program in Ho'oponopono, you understand, obviously, the basics. But this is the advanced course. This goes deeper. This is far more informative. This is far more enriching. And this is far more detailed. And in fact, you probably know the basic 4 phrases of Ho'oponopono. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. But there's now a 5th phrase. And this is a powerful cleaning phrase that even if I told you the word, you would have to understand why these words work like a combination lock to your own cleansing and clearing and spirituality. But I do explain it in this course. Now, this advanced training was put together by guitar monk Matthew Dixon and myself, Joe Vitale, and we had a lot of people come in together to make contributions to explain Ho'oponopono, to explain the deeper aspects of Ho'oponopono, to explain the awakening that comes from Ho'oponopono, to talk about the 5th statement of Ho'oponopono, also to go into how do you use Ho'oponopono with other existing modalities, whatever they might be. We talk about all of those in this course. Now, this is a breathtaking course. There's never been anything like it before. It was done only one time. It was filmed. We've created a home study course from the filming, from the material, so you can sit right where you are and you can absorb all this information and you can use it for yourself and you can use it for others. Now, if you understand how Ho'oponopono works, there really isn't anybody else. It's all you. Everybody on the outside is a mirror reflection of you, and what you do is work on yourself, and as you work on yourself, you change the rest of the world. You can imagine how powerful this is because now we have more control. Now we co-create with what I call the great something or the divine in order to have the magic and miracles we want. So we can clear, we can cleanse, we can get the results, we can attract what we want because we're deleting the data, those beliefs, the old paradigm that doesn't serve us. We're taking care of that almost magically, and we're doing it very easily with new statements, with new processes, with the new 5th statement, and a bunch of other things that are all revealed in this course. So I urge you to read over everything that's here. There's a lot of material, but if you're already brought here, you're brought here for a reason, you're already connected, you probably already know what Ho'oponopono is, and you're ready to go for the deep dive. So I encourage you, check this out. If it feels right in your heart, go ahead and get involved, because at the end of it, you can become a certified advanced Ho'oponopono practitioner. Again, never been done before. This is your one time to do it. I'm Joe Vitale. I urge you to go for your dreams and to expect miracles. Thank you, thank you, thank you.